I can't get it to work right without stumbling right now, so I did want to make one more comment because it just dawned on me and I don't think I got it on the video. That police officer, that highway patrolman, he is the same one. He knows that I've already reported to him that people are harming my vehicle because I was very upset and agitated. He came over one day. I was over down Blue Lakes Road here with my hood up, and oh, we're going to offer to help you. And, you know, what that means is they'll call you a tow truck, you know. Well, I have roadside assistance. I can't be I can't be pulled over Luther every single gosh darn day because people keep harming my vehicle and keep messing with the TPS and the accelerator cable and the idle screw. I can't keep doing it every single day. So, you know, I said I'm upset because people are harming my vehicle, but, you know, he said, can I help you? I said, well, the help you would give me is towing my vehicle, but people keep harming it, and I have to get it fixed because they've drained me financially. And he kind of laughed and chuckled, and like it was, well, I tried to help, you know. So, yeah, this stuff was preordained. And what happened today was preordained because they knew I'd probably go down that road to make sure that, you know, not to trespass, and that's ridiculous in the first place, but to test my vehicle and to make sure it was okay to go over Luther. There's no reason I should be getting a ticket. I could have arrested you for doing that. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. So yes, I've had an encounter with him before. And he was smirky as he left my vehicle. So, yeah, this is preordained. And this is gang stalking in America.